Welcome to 16th chapter of Metaphysical Art of War. This chapter is mainly about divine and demonic characteristics of living entities, its effects, attributes in relation with the nature and the creator. Lord Krishna says, Sri Krishna Vacho, Avayam Sattva Sansuddhir Jnana Yoga Vyavasthiti Danam Damascha Yagyascha Swadhyayastap Arjavam. Fearlessness, purification of one's existence, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, charity, self-control, performance of sacrifice, study of Vedas, austerity, simplicity. Ahimsa Satyam Krodhastyaga Santir Panchunam Daya Bhutesvalolupvam Madhavam Rirchapalam. Non-violence, truthfulness, freedom from anger, renunciation, tranquility, aversion to fault-finding, compassion for all living beings, freedom from covetousness, gentleness, modesty, steady determination. Teja Kshamadati Saucham Droho Nati Manita Bhavanti Samadam Devim Vijadasya Bharata. Vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, cleanliness, freedom from envy and from passion for honor. These qualities, O Bharata, belong to godly men endowed with divine nature. Dambho darpo abhimanascha krodha parusyam evacha Ajnanam cha abhijatasya partha sampadam asurim. Pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, ignorance, these qualities belong to those of demonic nature, O son of Pritha. Divine qualities takes to liberation, whereas demonic qualities creates bondage, conflict with the mundane world nature. Devi Sampad Mokshaya Nibaddhaya Surimata Masacha Sampadam Devim Vijato Asi Pandava Dvabhut Savo Loke Ashmin Deva Asur Evacha Devo Vistarasa Prokta Asuram Parthameshram. In this world, there are two kinds of beings, divine and demonic. I have already explained to you at length about divine. Now hear from me about demonic, O Partha. Pravritti cha nivrittim cha janana viturasura na socham na pi chacharo na satyam teshu vidyate. Those who do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done are of demonic nature. Neither cleanliness nor proper behavior nor truth is found in them. Asatyam pratishtam te jagda puranishwaram aparasparam sambhutam kimanyat kam hetukam. They say that this world is unreal with no base, no God, which is controlling it and it's produced out of sexual desire. Etadrushtit mavastabhya nastatmano alpabuddhya pravantya karmanah kshaya jagato ahitaha. The vision is accepted by less intelligent ones, and they flourish in engaging painful and destructive activities of this world. Kamashrita tuspuram dambhamana madanvitaha mohat grahitva sadgrahan pravartante sujivataha Sheltered in lust, insatiable pride, false prestige, the demons are so thus illusioned. Chintam parimeyam cha pralayantam upashitaha kamopabhog parama etavaditi nishtitaha. Worries immeasurable unto the point of death because of the belief that to gratify the senses is the prime necessity of human civilization. Asha pasyatervadhaha kam krodha parayanaha yante kam bhogartham nyayenartha sanjayan. Entangled by hundreds of thousands of desires and absorbed in lust and anger, they accumulate wealth by legal means for sense gratification. Idam madhya maya labdham imam prapse manoratham idam stidam api me bhavishyanti punardhanam. Thus, this today I have gained, now I will complete this desire of mine, this much money I have, and in future more will come, and go on in this kind of thought. Such is the quality of demonic nature. Vaso maya hata shatru hanishye cha paranapi Ishvaro aham ham bhogi siddho aham balan sukhi. He is my enemy and I have killed him, and my other enemies will also be killed. I am the Lord, enjoyer, perfect and powerful. Aryo abhi janmasmi ko anyo asti sodra somaya yakshe dashyami modishya itya jnana vimohitaha. I am wealthy, surrounded by aristocratic relatives. No one is like me. I'll give charity, I shall rejoice. In this way, such persons are deluded by ignorance. Anek chitta vibhranta mohajal samavataha prasaktaha kam bhogeshu patanti narke asucho. Their consciousness engrossed in numerous activities of mind, satisfaction of mind, they become strongly attached to sense gratification and fall down to further disintegration. Atma sambhavitaha tapta dhanman madangitaha yajante nama yakyaste nambena vidhipurvakam. Self-complacent with solemn ego of money, they do sacrifices for sowing without bothering their regulations. Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodham cha samsita mamahatma purdeheshu pratvishanto abhyasuyakaha. By ego, strength, pride, lust and anger, the demons become envious of the God who resides in their bodies and others. Tanaham dvishatah kuran sansareshu naradhaman kshipamya jasram shubhana surishveva yonishu. Those who are envious and mischievous, who are the lowest among men, I perpetually cast them into the ocean of material existence, into various demonic spaces of life. Asurim yonim apanna modha janmani janmani mam prapyeva kaunteya tato yantya dhamam gatim. By taking birth again and again in demonic spaces, they can't attain me, O Kanti, and go to lower and lower states of being. Trividham narakasyeram dwaram nasanam kama krodhas tatha lovas tasmade tat trayam taje. There are three gates of gates leading to this hell: lust, anger, and greed. Every being should give these up